Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. In this Autodesk REVIT tutorial for beginners, we will learn about all the basic settings after successfully installing REVIT software in our PC, such as template settings, family and library settings, and all the initial settings of a project. Here you can see we are using Autodesk REVIT 2024 version. You can use any of the versions of REVIT if you want. By using the same method, you will be able to make settings in any version of REVIT. This is the welcome screen of REVIT 2024 version. First of all, let me tell you where the files, the REVIT families and the REVIT templates are saved. First, get into local disk C, then get into program data folder. This program data folder contains all the files of Autodesk REVIT. Make sure in the view panel, the hidden items checkbox is turned on so that you can view all the hidden items. Then get into program data folder, go to Autodesk folder, go to RVT 2024 folder. In this folder, we will get all the ready-made families and all the ready-made templates available in REVIT software. Here it is, libraries and template folder, where you will get all the ready-made families and ready-made templates. I'll get into libraries folder. These are the libraries I have installed. Get into English folder. Open US folder. And you can see all the families are present here. Doors, electrical, furniture, etc. These are the doors available. So we can use this in our project. Now I'll get back and then get into templates folder. These are the templates we have installed in REVIT software. I'll open the English folder and these are the ready-made templates available. Default metric, structural, etc. You can use any of the templates as per your need. This is the English Imperial folder. In case of feet inches unit, we will use Imperial template from here. Now to use a new template, go to REVIT, then click on New. And these are the templates available by default. And if you want to add a template, then click on Browse. And then remember this path, local disk C, program data, Autodesk, RVT 2024, templates, and then this English folder. And here are the predefined templates. I'll select the default metric and then click on Open. Now default metric has been added and then hit OK to open the default metric template file. Now if I click on wall, you can see all the walls are in millimeters. Similarly, all the doors are in millimeter as well. Next is, after installing REVIT software, this project browser panel will be at the bottom of this properties palette. So we will just drag it towards the right side of the window. We have to take our pointer to the extreme right. And when you see this light blue window, just leave your mouse to set the project browser palette. You can resize the palette by just dragging as shown. Now, if your properties palette is missing after installing REVIT, you can restore it. Just right click and then click on Properties. And always drag the properties palette to the extreme left of the screen like this. And to restore the project browser, right click, go to Browsers, and then click on Project Browser. Now once the Properties palette and the Project Browser is set, we can start drawing our project. For now, I'll close the drawing window. Now if I click on New, you can see the metric template has vanished from here. So if we want the metric template, we have to browse it again and again. So to avoid browsing again and again, we can permanently set the template here. To do that, close this, click on this home icon, go to File, and then click on Options. Next, go to File Locations, and you can see all the templates over here. If you want to delete any of these templates, just select the template and click on this minus icon. And to add a new template, click on this plus icon. You can see this is the default metric template. I'll show you the path first. Local disk C, program data, Autodesk, REVIT 2024, templates, and then this English folder, open it, and then select the template you want to add. I'll select the default metric and then hit OK. Now click at this home icon, click on New, and you can see the default metric template has been permanently added here. So I'll select the default metric template and hit OK to get into the software. We have already set our properties palette and project browser. Now if I click on Door and then click on Load Family, we are not getting directly into the Door Families folder. So to select this path correctly, I'll close this, go to File, click on Options, go to File Locations, and then click on Places. Select this path, click at this 3 dot, select local disk C, program data, Autodesk, REVIT 2024, libraries, English, and then select this US folder. Click on Open, hit OK, hit OK again. Now click on Door again, click on Load Family, and you can see we are getting into the libraries folder directly. Click on Doors. I'll change the preview to thumbnail, and you can see all the doors. These are the residential ones. Get back to US folder. These are the furnitures available. Settings, tables. I'll close this for now. Now we'll set some temporary dimension settings. I'll click on Wall and just draw a few random walls like this. Press Escape twice. Then select a wall like this, and you can see the temporary dimension is from inner faces of the walls. Now by clicking at this point, we can flip the dimension from inner face to center and to the outer face of the wall. Now to manage these temporary dimension settings, go to Manage tab, go to Additional Settings, go to Annotations, and then click on Temporary Dimensions. Set the walls to faces and doors and windows to openings. Hit OK. Now if I place a door, the temporary dimensions are shown from faces of the walls. Now I'll erase this. Next is unit settings. Just type UN and the project unit palette opens. You can set your project unit from here. To change the unit, click on Length, Set the roundings as per your drawing. You can set the unit symbol as well if you want. Check the suppress trailing zeros. We will discuss these project units thoroughly in our next tutorial. For now, I'll just close this project units window. So this will be it for this tutorial. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.